Alhamdulillah wa salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. One day the Messenger alayhi salatu wasalam, he was in Mecca, and then he recited the Quran in Mecca. And Quraysh, who are non-Muslim, they could hear these ayat. هذا نذير من النذر الأولى أزفت الآزفة ليس لها من دون الله كاشفة أفمن هذا الحديث تعجبون وتضحكون ولا تبكون وأنتم سامدون فاسجدوا لله واعبدوا. The last ayah, prostrate to Allah and worship. Okay, it is an ayah of sujood. The Prophet ﷺ and the Sahaba, they prostrated. All of Quraysh who are non-Muslim, they prostrated. This is something known as Satwatul Quran. That the Quran, it overpowers the individual. When you give the Quran your ear and you listen to the Quran properly, it will overpower you. It will make you do things. It will submit you to Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. Open up your heart to the Quran and listen to the Quran and immerse yourself in the book of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, and you will find wonders.